May iba't ibang rason kung bakit tayo nagte-travel. Si Mia, gustong hanapin ang sarili.
Hi. I'm 2A.
At pag sinwerte ka, may makakasama kang maghanap. Si Meggie. No spoilers, but this is just the beginning of their journey towards their dreams.
Ang galing ng picture.
Maganda lang talaga yung subject ko.
Minsan,
Here's your blocking, sir. You're welcome.
okay palang may magpapagaan ng journey. Hindi kailangan sarilihin ng lahat. Pwedeng may masasandalan ka.
Bring me up Cebu Pacific app.
At may sasandal sa'yo. The one na magpaparealize sa'yo that travel is about making memories.
For our special Bring Me game, bring me a ring. Me.
So you surprise even yourself.
We've always traveled together, my 2A. And ayoko nang may iba pang kasama. So will you join me for our longest and best trip of all? Will you marry me?
Yes!
She found herself, and someone found her too. Because sometimes, forever begins with the first flight. Ikaw, ready ka na ba to chase your dreams?